Hi, this is Ginny Priest, and I just wanted to give you some tips for using the fifth grade science notebook setup resource. I'm really excited about this resource because it sets up interactive science notebooks for total success. It gives lots of background information and it includes unit cover pages that include I can statements for NGSS and vocabulary. So let's get started and let me show you. So this comes with some teacher tips. We're going to come back to that. And then it goes to a cover page, which is a preview of topics that will be coming up, including physical and chemical changes and food chains. And the All About Me page, too, kind of previews those topics. So it talks about what's your favorite animal and what does that animal eat. So that previews food chains, or your favorite body of water. It previews water on Earth. Then you have science notebook expectations. And what's really cool about this is I'm going to go back to teacher tips in a few minutes and show you how this is all completely editable. So look at this and see what you like and if there's anything you would change. This CER page, this one is not editable, but this one is a great page to show kids how to do a CER. CERs can be really challenging, and this walks them through it, so it's a great page to refer back to. Then there's 4 cross-cutting concepts. There are 7 total for NGSS, but this resource focuses on 4, which I think is plenty for 5th grade. So patterns, cause and effect, energy and matter, and systems. So like when you're talking about conservation of matter, you can refer back to there is a cross-cutting concept, and that really matches with what we're talking about. Or when you're doing ecosystems and studying food chains, you can refer back to the systems section of this cross-cutting concept, and then they can get those bigger ideas. Okay, so this is an especially awesome part. This is the tabbed unit pages. Now, these work great with composition books. They work great with the spiral single subject college ruled notebooks. You can also 3-hole punch these and have them in a binder. Whatever works for you. Now, the notebook expectations and these 6 unit covers are all totally editable, which is super cool to fit whatever you're going to call the unit or vocabulary you need to add. And so I want you to take a look at each of these and see if there's anything you would change, and then I'm going to show you how you go ahead and do that. So you have the title, Ecosystems and Food Chains, you have the I can statements, and you have the vocabulary here. So I print these out single-sided, and I use them as the cover for each of the units. So here's the matter unit, physical and chemical changes, water sources on Earth and conservation, photosynthesis, stars in the solar system. So those are the units, and I'm going to go back up to the top to the teacher tips. Okay, so at the top here, I only have part of the link, but when you click that link, it's going to prompt you to make a copy of the slideshow. So this will be your own copy, and that is so that the original is not changed and this is yours and you can change it how you would like. So here we are at the editable one. So you could click on any of these and change anything you would like on Science Notebook expectations or any of the 6 unit covers. So like if you want tabs in different places because you want to do them in different order, you can copy and paste them and change them, or you can get rid of them altogether. I'm not going to use the tabs because I don't want anything sticking out of their interactive notebook, so I'm just going to take them off. If you want to have different vocabulary, you could delete these and put in your own vocabulary. So this is totally changeable to make it work for you. I hope you love this resource and it really helps your students.